for 16 years, and I've seen some phenomenal machines out there, but one in particular that I want to highlight today is the PowerBoss Nautilus. There are some features on here that our customers love. Let me go ahead and show you a few here. First is the operator compartment. You can see it's located in the front of the machine, and it enables increased visibility and sight lines to help the operator when maneuvering around things. The other thing about it is the operator control panel. It's designed to be simple and to enable a very quick learning curve. It has simply one green button to turn the features on and off. The other thing about it too is it doesn't have a motherboard like our competitive brands. And what that means to you is decreased maintenance costs over the lifetime of the machine. The other thing, down below here, this is the scrub deck of the machine. The reason I'm pointing that out is because it's all comprised of stainless steel components. What that means is reduced maintenance costs over the life of the machine, and it also means increased useful life of the machine as you don't have to worry about rust and corrosion. One last thing I want to point out. The machine can be configured with the feature that heats the solution that will then emulsify heavy soilage. What that means is decreased chemical usage and chemical costs, and your operator doesn't have to handle caustic chemicals as much. These three features that I just pointed out to you are just a few of the reasons why people love this scrubber. It's ideal for the warehouse situation. It's ideal for parking structures. Anywhere where there's heavy cleaning, this scrubber is the one of choice. If you ever want to rent the machine or see a demonstration or purchase a machine, please call the number below.